Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for December 6th, 2023. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, we have two 4s here looking in. That puts a 4 on one of these two. I am not seeing anything else to do up here. Okay, I'm just going to move on. It doesn't seem like there's anything. Two 5s, and this 5 looks up. So 5 in one of those two. I do see these two 1s. I might as well actually place this one. That's nice. Okay, anything else to do here? We got the 5s. We've got our New York Times trick, as it's called. This is a hidden triple in this column, is one way to think about that. But a nice way to spot this, there's a few ways you can, but the way I spotted it is I saw that these 3 were occupying 2 columns out of 3, right? So basically what we're saying is these 3 can't be 5, 6, or 8 because they'd repeat in the box. And then I scanned the column and I saw that we had 3 other placed givens that were not 5, 6, or 8. And 5, 6, or 8 weren't in the column, right? So this is basically your completely standard New York Times hidden triple trick, because the logic is we need to put 5, 6, and 8 somewhere in this column. They're not going to go where the givens are, and they're not going to go in this box. So there are only 3 places left in the column they can go. That's where they must go. Now, something in addition to that we can do is I noticed that we have this 6 and 8 looking at this cell. So 5, 6, and 8 go in these 3, but this can't be the 6 or the 8, so it has to be the 5. And then this is a 6, 8 pair. And then this is going to be a triple, and that's going to be a triple, which I will fill. So we need 1, 3, and 7 here. And then here we need 2, 4, and 9. Nice. Okay, that should give us a nice head start. This 5, does that do anything? Yes, it actually causes a crossing on this 2, 1. So this 5 looks in, this 5 looks in. That places this 5 here. That places this 5 here. Just looking at 5s to see if I can do more. 5s are here. Let's just highlight them. These 2 5s look in, this 5 looks up. So the 5 in one of these two. There's a 5 in one of these two. So this 5 looked in, this 5 looked down. These 5s point up. This can't be a 5, or there'd be nowhere to put 5 in this box. Look what happens. If this is a 5, where am I putting 5 in this box? This 5 looks down, this 5 looks down, this 5 looks in. These aren't 5. We would exclude 5 from the box. All boxes need a 5. So that's not a 5. This is a 5. People usually see this as these line up and they point at the rest of the column, preventing that column from being that digit. Okay, 5s are done other than this rectangle. Nice. Okay, so this is always something to, like this formation here is really nice usually, and actually I do see a use for it. You want to scan the rest of this column and the rest of this row for things that aren't already in the box, because you're going to be able to corner mark them. Even better, we have an 8 and a 9 looking in. So this is an 8-9 pair, leaving a 4-7 pair up here. So let's look at the 4-7 pair. The 7s, we already have all the 4s, but 7s can't be here now. These two 7s look up, so that's a 7. The rest of this row is 1, 2, 3. I guess I'll fill that. I feel like this band is collapsing, so we're just going to see how much it collapses. This row needs, well, first of all, it needs an 8 and a 9, but they can't go there. What else does it need? So 1, 2, needs 3. Oh, so this can't be 3, 8, or 9. So this is the 6. This is a naked 6. This is 3, 8, 9. This can't be an 8, but more importantly, the 3 in this row is limited to these two, which means these cannot be 3, which does place the 3 here. Because if these were 3, there would be nowhere to put 3 in this row. This is a 1, 2 pair, and we know the order because of that 1 down there. This box is full, which is going to be extremely useful, but let's finish this row here. So we need 6, 7, 8, 9, it looks like. I noticed this couldn't be 6 or 8, so that's why I decided to fill that. Okay, so we're always going to find a buddy against this box, right? So 9 has a buddy. So 9's down here. 7 has a buddy, but it's done. 5 has a buddy. We have that. 7, 3 has a buddy. Places a 3 here. And 1 has a buddy. Places a 1 up here. Okay, because of this one here. Okay, that's good progress. This is a triple, and this is a triple. We'll fill both of them. So that we know the 3 goes there. We have 1, 2, 3. We need 4, and we need 6. That's not a 6. Here, this triple, we need 2, 4, and 8. Okay. Okay, so I had found this. Okay, let's rescan. I think this band is gonna just need outside help. Let's rescan this. We got the 5. Okay, let's scan this bottom band. I don't think we'd ever officially did. Yeah, we've got 2 1s looking in. So 1's in one of these 2. It lines up here, but we already know 1's over here, right there. 1's repeat. That's the only repeat. Are there any crossings of note? 3? Yes, 3 has a crossing on this 1, 5. This 3 looks in, this 3 looks down. That puts a 3 in one of these 2. That points in, this 3 looks in. That puts a 3 in one of these 2. Again, these 3's line up, but we already knew that. Anything else crossing? 2's? No. We do have this 8, 9 here. Is that doing anything? 8, 9 looking in, 8, 9 looking in. It's like 8, 9's in these 3, unfortunately. Okay. I'm not seeing anything else. Any crossings on this? Yeah, there's a crossing on 5s. We already found that. Okay, let's look vertically. I think I already basically looked vertically here. I already did. Yeah, I already scanned here. Because of this box was full. Give this a quick glance. I think we already got all these. Might as well mark that 9's over here. I don't think it's that helpful though. 5's, 1's, 6's. Okay, 6's might be helpful. 6's are helpful. It places the 6 in this box. That's not a 6. That places this 6. Oops, places the 6. This 3, 4 pair means this is not a 4. These are what? 1, 2, 6, 8. Yeah, we need a 6 in this box, right? These 2 6's look in. So that's a 6, that's a 1. We're left with a 2, 8. That's not a 1. That places this 1. This 8 gets placed as well when we got this 6 here. So that's not an 8. That puts the 6 here. That's not a 6. All right, things are looking pretty good. What else can we do here? Okay, I got 6. 6's are not quite done. Oh, but they can be. This is a 6, and now 6's are done. What else did I get? I got 1's. 1's are doing pretty well. So we got 1's here and 1's here, and that's it. Okay. So we can't do anything else with 1's right now. So we've got... Did I look vertically here? I think that's how I got some of this stuff. This 8, 9 pair, this 8, 9 pair, still here. Don't know why I thought that would have changed. Well, I placed this 6. So that something was in the vicinity. 8, 9 looking down here, maybe? Not quite. Okay, I have quite a few corner marks in here. Everything has a corner mark on it, but let's think about what the box needs. It needs 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. So other than the 1, 3, 5, it's 4 and 7 that the box needs. So all of these are at best the corner marks that are in them plus 4, 7. So this can't be a 7. So this is only 1, 4. That's a good way to think about it. This is only 4, 5, 7. Oh, hold on. This 1, 4. Look at this. We get a triple here. This is a 1, 2, 4 triple. I'm going to explain this just because sometimes people get a little confused because they think a triple has to be something like all three cells are from 1, 2, 3. But it's just 3 cells that have 3 total candidates. That's a naked triple. If you want to think about it, there's no reason you couldn't say, well, this could technically be a 2, even though it can't be. This could be a 1. This could be a 4. Now you've got your naked triple, right? Eliminating a digit doesn't change the logic of a structure. It can only make it more powerful. It can't make it less powerful. So anyway, we have this 1, 2, 4 naked triple. That eliminates 1, 2, and 4 from the rest of this column. So this cannot be 2 4s. Very important. That's a 9. These aren't 9s. That's not a 9. This is now down to 3 or 7 only. Can't be 8. Okay, what's this get us? This 9, these 9s look in. The 8, 9 looks down, so that's a 9. Okay, so I've got this 8 looking in and this 9 looking down now. Remember that 8 and 9 were in these 3. This is occupied now, so 8's in one of these 2 now. That's going to point left. That gives us this 2 and this 8. Gives us the 4 and the 2. Okay, that's very helpful. I don't think I need these green anymore. That's just going to distract me. So what do we get? We got the 8, we got the 2. So this is down to a triple. This is 5, 8, 9. So this can't be 5 or 8. So this is only 9. This is 2, 3, 4, and we know the 3 is up here, and we know that's not a 2. This feels close to done. 3, 4, 7, 8. This is not 3. Okay, that's not where to look. 8, 9, 9. Okay, what else do we have here? None of these are 5. Let's see, what do we need? We need 3. Actually, I should look at this triple instead. Let's see if we can get a little bit more info. 3, 4, and 7. I was really hoping this would resolve, but it doesn't. Oh, we get this 4, 7 pair though. So this is a triple. We have 1, we need 2. Two C's here and 2 C's here. So 2 is only there. In fact, I had these 2 2s. I just haven't scanned again recently. I probably should, but anyway, we're almost done. We do need an 8. What else do we need? Sorry, 1, 2, 3. We need 8 and 9 is what we need. And this can't be the 9 because the 9's in the box. So that's 8, that's 9. That's not an 8. 1, 4, 5, 8. This is not 5 or 8 or 1. So this is only 4. That's a 1. That's a 7. That's 3. That's 4. That's 2 and 4. 8, 7, 9, 3. We are collapsing. 2 and 1. 4, 7, 9, 8. 3, 2. This is 5 and 7. That's an 8 and a 5. That's a 3. This box needs an 8. Okay, what do we need here? We need a 4 and a 7. So that's 4, that's 7. That's 3, that's 7. That's 4, that's 3. And we're done. Okay. Ooh, okay, nice. Yeah, I think the lucky spot was obviously this. Well, first of all, we found this 5, 6, 8 hidden triple. I'm sure that was helpful. We found that early on, though, so it's hard to say how helpful it was. But I'm sure getting all these digits narrowed down and getting this 5 placed, I'm sure that was helpful. And then the next really helpful thing, I think, was this naked triple, this 1, 2, 4 naked triple. The other side of that coin was a hidden quad, so I do think the naked triple was easier to see. But yeah, you could have seen the hidden quad technically. But yeah, cool. Interesting puzzle today. It had a little bit of everything. It's got your New York Times hidden triple, and it's got a naked triple, the 1, 2 for naked triple, and then it had some interesting geometry in it. Like we kept coming back and finding crossings. Crossings were very powerful in this puzzle. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.